So maybe there's some things that you're not forgiving yourself for, and how's that working for you? Chances are it's not doing you or anyone else a lot of good, and so let's see if we can do something about that, taking full responsibility for your own well-being. Even though I can't forgive myself, I choose to love and accept myself anyway. Even though I can't forgive myself, I choose to love and honor myself anyway. Even though I can't forgive myself, at least not completely, because I have all this programming that says I'm not allowed to forgive myself. And even though I can't forgive myself, I choose to deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. And anyone else who taught me to be so unforgiving of myself. Because they were doing that to themselves too. This inability to forgive myself. I can't forgive myself. I won't forgive myself. It would be wrong to forgive myself. All this fear I have that if I forgive myself, I'll just do more wrong. All this belief that withholding forgiveness is how I keep myself in line. Except that when I do bad things, it's because I'm feeling bad. And not forgiving myself keeps me in a place that's not so good. Maybe it's possible that forgiving myself could be one of the best things I could ever do for myself and others. All these blocks to forgiving myself. All these reasons for not forgiving myself. I choose to clear these at a cellular level, clearing them all the way back through my past. Back through all the times that I learned to be unforgiving. When did that ever really work for anyone? When did that ever bring peace and or happiness? I choose to cultivate peace and happiness. And forgiving myself helps that. I'm allowing myself to forgive myself. I'm giving myself permission to forgive myself. I'm allowing myself to feel more peace in body, mind, and spirit. Take a deep breath. Thank you for setting yourself free to do more good.